Good morning, guys. What is going on? Today we have we have some action going on, but the spreads were looking a little crazy this morning. We'll get into all of that in just a second. I just want to go make sure we have. I just want to make sure we're good on across all our channels here. Live Nasdaq trading 150K prop giveaway. Alright, cool, we're good here. I'll post this. Alright, let's see Twitch, we're looking good on Twitch. Let's see here, stream manager, we're looking good. Alright. Let's go ahead and see if we got any perfect. I love it. All right. Good morning, guys. Good morning, Hermana. We're sounding good. Glad to hear that. Good morning, Vladimir. Good to see you, brother. All right. So let's go ahead and do what we're here to do, which is check out these charts. Right now, let's take a look at our levels. We have a pretty narrow range from the overnight. Let's see what we're cooking with here. So right now, we're currently at a... looks like we just broke out of a poor high, which is good. Looks like our next level will be at 876, where our single prints are going to start, which is right around here. After those single prints start, guys, we'll be up to 22,000 in no time. So today might be that day. Today could be that day. We have point of control right around here. We have another naked point of control right at 21,673. We'll mark that out on our screen. That's a good level. Naked point of control right there. And POC. Those are important, guys. The market has memory. When we get back into levels like that, they tend to either hold or they tend to actually create a lot of liquidity there. So we'll see. Okay. Overnight high is not here anymore. Our overnight high now would be, let's take a look at a 30-minute. Overnight high would be wherever this ends up. Our overnight low is going to be, let's see where the market opened up at. Right in here. Let's move this out of the way. Thanks to Hermano, we know where this can go now. Move that to a new pane, so we don't have that problem anymore. All right, and we have to move our overnight low right in here. Looks like right around the beginning of our trend line. Is that was, nope, that was at yesterday at 3. So our overnight low was actually right here. So it's a tight range. We're gonna have a tight range on our hands. Let's see where our daily open is. I'm not sure why the daily open is not showing. Looks like it looks like this is not going to be working right now. If you guys are using Trader's Reality, make sure you're using the most up-to-date one, because it looks like I had to do this now on a couple of charts. Trader's Reality main. Okay. And now we should be good to go. Yep, there we go. Perfect. All right. So we're hitting nothing really at the moment. We're not really hitting anything that's that important. We just broke out of the poor high. I think maybe we'll bounce from the trend line and maybe head a little higher. Let's go ahead and take a look at our VIX, which is actually not doing much. Our VIX is kind of flat right now at about 16.6, which is a pretty big decrease from yesterday. Yesterday we're around the 18 and 17 level, so we've dropped considerably there. And the S&P right now also looks like it wants to do a little bit of a breakout. We're trading right now above yesterday's high and above the daily open, which is nice. All right, so we've got a couple of levels marked out. And now what we can do, just give me a second, guys. I just got to fix one of my charts here. So I learned a lot about these charts yesterday. I learned a lot about TradingView yesterday. Maybe I'll make an updated video for our CVD settings here, because we're able now to keep our CVD on a new pane, which is a game changer. Game changer for sure. All right, let's take a look. Let's take a look here. Take a look here. Good morning, David. Good morning, David. All right, so what do we have here? What do we have here? Let's take a look at our, let's expand this a little bit. Looks like we're missing our, okay, CVD. Sometimes likes to run away from us. I like looking at the CVD on the Renko charts. That actually really cleans it up for us a lot, big time. So right now we're seeing that we just got a pretty big spike in CVD to the downside, which means we can get a lot more upside. Looks like the market does want to head up. It does want to head up pretty nicely. So we'll go ahead and check out our smaller time frames here. Oh, no, not that. So I'm going to take a look here what we have. So I was looking at the market since a little earlier today. And I was noticing that before we broke out, like right around here, our spreads were pretty thick, which means that, you know, you might get a lot of slippage and when you see spreads that are thick. Right now, it's starting to tighten up some. I can see there. What's up, Tova? Good morning to you. Good morning, Tova. So yeah, right now we've broken out of our trend line with a rising wedge that we have, which is really bullish. It looks like we're coming back to maybe retest it or maybe test this area here that had some demand, which I'll show you. This was a demand, looks like it was a demand area where it kind of took off. Maybe we'll bounce from here. Maybe we'll bounce from, maybe we'll bounce from this area too. Let me see if I can drag this. Yeah, maybe we'll bounce from here as well, because this seemed to be a demand area. And then we have our 200 down here, our 200 moving average. So we're skipping along the 200. If you guys will notice here, thanks to Dan Rick, he had us put this 200 on our chart. We're bouncing on the 200. So maybe it's going to want another bounce now. That would be a good opportunity to maybe look for longs. We'll check the CVD when we do get to these crucial levels. As of right now, I'm not going to be taking a trade just yet. We have the open in a couple minutes. Hopefully we do get some movements. I don't think we have any news today. Today being U.S. has a Richmond Manufacturing Index at 10 a.m. So I don't think that'll move the market too much, but it'll maybe give us a little jolt. So 10 a.m. news. And on another front, I just want to let you guys know that we are going to be doing some giveaways today. I'm going to wait to announce a little bit more about the rules in a little while. If you guys are curious about that, the rules are in the pinned chat. So start getting yourself ready for that if you choose to want to participate in our prop giveaways today. All right, so it's going to be later on today. It'll be later on today. I just want to make sure you guys are here. We have as many people here as possible. I want to make sure we do have as many people as possible. Let's see. All right, we're live. I like it. I like it. We're live on X, guys. We're live on X. Let's see if we have any viewers on X right now. See if I can log into this. Try to see if we have any comments. Just want to see how I can track my comments here. See if I can answer this. No, that's not it. Just give me a second, folks. I'm just trying to figure out how to see comments here, live comments. Yeah, I know I was able to see my comments yesterday live, so I'm trying to go back to that screen. You guys give me a sec. Yeah, I'm not sure. Not sure, but let me do one other thing here. I gotta clear out my P&L. There we go. So we're currently sitting at $0, getting ready for the open. There we go. I got the chat open now. All right, so if you're going to be watching this, if you're watching this, guys, on X, you guys are able to participate in today's giveaway as well. Twitch, also, you Twitch viewers out there, if you guys are watching this on Twitch, you will be able to also participate. It's not just for YouTube, it's for everyone. It is for everyone today. Perfect. All right, so I'm all set. Got everything ready to go here. And we're good, we're good, we're golden. What's up? I am what I am. We're looking at this market kind of melting right before our eyes here. I'd like to see maybe a pop from the area we're at right now. Possibly maybe even at the 200. We'll see how that works out. Thank you guys. You guys are already starting with the, you guys are reading the giveaway rules, I see. Yeah, so you guys can get a head start on that. If you guys aren't on x.com following the Loose Move profile, please go ahead and do so. And as well on Discord, we have a giveaway channel where you can also type in the word smooth. So thank you guys for that. So what we'll be doing today, since you guys have voted on which prop firm should we be looking to give away today, you guys pretty much all agreed on Top Step. So today we'll be giving away 3 50K Top Step evals, combines, for you guys to enjoy. You start the new year off fresh. Maybe you guys had a rough year. Maybe you guys are killing it. Either way, I'm sure you deserve to start the year off with a nice fresh combine that has 0 blemishes on it. So that's going to be fun. It's going to be our first giveaway ever. We've been streaming now for about 2 months. We've gained probably say a little bit over 200 subscribers here since we started live streaming. Let's take a look at our analytics really quickly. And let's see, the last 90 days. We've gained 270 subscribers, guys. And since we started streaming, our first stream was October 14th was our first stream. So if you guys haven't seen some of the first few streams, they weren't as polished as we are now. But yeah, we actually, let me show you guys. You guys are probably interested in seeing this. We are opening the market in just about a minute and a half, but I think you guys have time to see this. Yeah, you guys can check out our channel analytics here. So we've gained 270 subs since we started on October 14th. Yeah, you guys can see that. We have over 2,300 watch hours, and we have over 10,000 views. And as you can see, the chart is climbing steadily, but it's climbing, which is nice steady growth. So thank you to everyone who's been watching and consistently coming back. And this is just a little token of our appreciation today. What's up, Ron? Yeah, Merry Christmas to all of you too, guys. It's the least we can do. And in the future, once we start becoming much more profitable with our trading and with this channel, we'll be a lot more generous than just 350K combines. So stay tuned for more, guys. Stay tuned for more this year. Big year coming up for all of us. All right, so what are we thinking here, guys? Is anybody in the trade at the moment? Any longs, any shorts? Anything cooking? All right, we've gotten 15 views on X already. That's incredible. All right, so we're getting a little sell-off here, which I was kind of expecting. We're pretty strong this morning. We didn't even reach the trend line on this last go around, but we're tapping the 200, which is what I was expecting, and we got a big spike in the CVD to the downside here. So I'd like to see us to recover here on the red X slightly, something maybe like this, because if we get a higher low here, that'll be a good sign for a recovery here. So I might be interested in going in with a long in the near future here. Market is open. Market is open. Market is open, so let's see what we got, guys. Let's see what we're cooking. I expect a possible reversal from here, but we'll see. You know, we kind of we're expecting this 200 area to hold, but we'll see. We'll see if the market is strong enough. Or maybe we just got set up this morning. Maybe we just got set up this morning to now dump it on us on Christmas Eve. We will see. Hermana, Casey Strickland says that they do not have permission to message in the giveaway channel on Discord. Not sure if that's a private channel, bud, or if we need to change some of the settings. Hermana's going to help us with that, guys, in just a second, okay? If that channel doesn't work, then we'll switch it to another channel. Thank you for letting me know that, Casey. Ron just made a scalp on the Qs. Okay, she's looking good. She's looking good. Looking pretty strong. It looks like the ES is also following suit, trying to recover back up. ES is looking a little weaker than our NQ here. Pretty big spike. And it's a pretty big spike there, down 744 compared to what we've been getting. It's small compared to other opens, but it's big compared to what we've had this morning. One second, guys. All right, we're back, guys. Just had to make a quick change to our rules here. So the giveaway channel is private because obviously it's a giveaway channel with the rules and what we're giving away. So we just made a new channel called Giveaway I Am Here. All right, and we're going to just upload that. I just made that the pin chat, the pin comment in our chat, sorry. All right, so now that is pinned. And the one of the rules for the giveaway, guys, is you have to just go into our Discord, become a Discord member, obviously, and type in smooth in the giveaway I am here channel, okay? And that's it. Very simple rules to follow, very simple rules. Let me post those rules here on X as well. All right, we're good. We're good. All right, guys. So we've got a little bit of a battle here. We got some good. You guys better take advantage of some of this volatility because I'm not sure how long it's going to last for today. May not last for a long time. The volatility says I'm not here for a long time, but a good time, or a good time, not a long time. One or the other. Whatever Drake says. Whatever Drake says. That's what the market's saying. We're going to break out past our trend line here, which is cool. This could have been a good entry here. This could have been a good entry at 935. Might still be a fairly decent entry, but I like to see a little bit more of a retracement if I go long here. Good strength in the market though. For Christmas Eve, pretty good strength here. Good job, Ron, on your early win. Good job on that, brother. A win is a win, especially on a day like this. On a day like this, guys, if I even make $100, I think to myself, wow, that's $100 I made that I can take my family out to dinner with or something. Maybe a little more than $100, but it's like the cherry on top. It's it. I mean, what can you ask for on a day like today? Right? We should be celebrating our Lord and Savior, our family, our all the good stuff, and making money could be just a bonus here. So we've got S&P looking like it wants to rip through the 650. We got the overnight highs here that are going to be, tested one more time. Here at 850, that is our number. Yeah, guys, 22,000 might be just around the corner here. 22,000 might be just around the corner. So we put this box here this morning saying that this was an area of interest because we've been bouncing off that 200 all morning. And it looks like that's exactly what the market wanted. That's exactly what she wanted, at least for a good trade. Maybe not for the remainder of the day, but that was a decent entry. If you would have gotten in here, your drawdown would have been very minimal. Maybe like 4 points. Wow. Yeah, so the 200 was at 805 and it went down as low as 799. So 6 points of drawdown. And we are cooking with gas right now. We're up about 50 points. That would have been a nice one, guys. You've been done. We would have been done for the day. All right, looks like she's coming back. Maybe she'll give us an opportunity to get into a trade. What's up, Pips Hunter? Good morning. Oh, we got 22 viewers already, guys. Give this stream a like. That'll increase your chances of winning. I've heard that that'll increase your chances of winning. I'm not sure how, but I heard it does. Yeah, I keep saying things that I want to do and I never do, which is get back in and get into the trade here on the retracement. But this retracement was so quickly bought up, it was pretty nuts. We're already doing about 70 points off the open, maybe 60 points off the low of the session so far. That's pretty nuts, guys. For a day like this, that's pretty nuts. We got news coming out in 20 minutes, so you guys want to be conservative. Wait till then. If you guys are risk takers, just close your eyes and hit a button with the mouse. Just start scrolling around your screen and start hitting buttons, and whatever comes of it, then that's your trade. You know, some traders might actually trade better that way. As funny as it may sound, some traders might actually do better just by scrolling around their screen and hitting buttons. I probably would. Yeah, don't forget to join the Discord, guys. Join the Discord and join the giveaway. Absolutely. Thank you, Romana. We'll be doing the giveaways today, guys. We're going to be giving away 3 Top Step 50K accounts. So if you guys are just jumping in right now, we'll be doing those later on in the stream today. But I just need you guys to read the instructions on the pinned comment in the chat if you guys are interested in participating. Also, we do have a legal disclaimer, guys, that you guys are interested in our description. If you guys want to read legal jargon, if that's your thing, we have a disclaimer that says no purchase necessary and a whole bunch of other legal stuff that'll protect you as a consumer, which you're not, because you're getting this for free, for no purchase necessary. You guys have been amazing to the channel. You guys have been here every day consistently, even through my broken hand, my doctor's appointments, all the bad weather we were having when we got started with the hurricane, with the electricity going out, with the internet going out constantly. You guys are still here and jumping onto the streams after 3 to 5 attempts of trying to go live, and you guys are still coming back on. It was pretty nuts early on. We got our situation much better now. We definitely have our situation much better now, which is it's a blessing. We have people that are helping, thanks to a couple of you guys. Armana, I know a few of you also want to help out, but Armana's stepped up to the plate, guys, and helping us out big time with the Discord and brainstorming for this channel. So look forward to a good 2025 with all of you. And it's just a small token of our appreciation here. All right, so we're getting a nice little pattern here. Getting a nice little pattern, which I like to see. Getting a nice little pattern with the CVD. Maybe we'll get that CVD to come down a little more. Right now, she's looking pretty strong. Look at this. That trend line is very vertical. Super. Now the Renkos are not telling much of a story. Still think we have further to go. You see, when I see big CVD to the downside like we have here, I like that, because what that tells you is that there were a lot of people trapped in these CVD drops to the downside. Okay, so that's something I want to bring to your attention there. That's why I kind of look at that too. I see that a lot of people were trapped there. Now, we just got a big spike on the way up here, so be careful there as well. I don't see the pattern forming yet for me to think that we're going to drop lower. I think we're still going to go higher. So if you're in a long, I'd still be holding it. I would hold it. I'm not telling you guys what to do, but I'd still be holding it. See if we can't get into something here. What is our ATR at the moment? Our ATR right now in 1 minute, guys, is 15. That's very, very manageable. Very manageable there. Okay, this would have been a good entry. Let's see if we can't maybe scoop in here still. We'll see. Yeah, Ron Gray says our giveaway comes with a double your money back guarantee. Just pay the shipping and handling, guys. Just pay the shipping and handling, and you'll be you'll have yourself a nice fresh 50K combine for the small price of shipping and handling. Ron wants to know if I watch the tick. I don't necessarily watch the tick Q, but Design Knob always kind of fills me in on what the tick is doing. The tick, for the most part, really does give you a confirmation what the sentiment is in the market. I would be assuming that the tick is above the zero line right now, Ron. Would I be safe in assuming that? Negative 591. What is that in layman's terms? Is that above the zero line or is that below the zero line? Negative 591. I could open it up. Let's see if we can open it up and check out what you're saying. Tick Q. All right, I just added it to the chart here. Let's take a look at what Ron is saying. So I don't really know how to read this that well, but I know Design Knob likes to read it. And he tells me when the market is looking bullish or bearish. And this is the tick chart here. So he tells me that when it's above the zero line, it's a bullish looking day. When it's struggling to get above the zero line, then it's having a hard day. So the zero line would be here. If you guys want to take a look, it's right here, right around here. So right now it's popping off the zero line. It's positive 76, positive 100. So it looks like to be still a bullish market. So this is just more confirmation of what the market might be doing. Right? It went as low as negative 53. Yeah. Okay. All right. So let's take a look at yeah, we can definitely keep this on our chart. You know, keep it here as one of our indicators. We'll go back to the ES at the moment because I do like seeing where the ES is in relation to the Nasdaq. So above 400 is really bullish, below 400 is bearish. So anything between 400 and 400 is pretty much neutral. Is that safe to say? Is it a neutral market? We got any gaps that need to be filled, guys? I know you guys like looking at gaps. I know you guys love some gaps. Let's see if we have any gaps. $100 is when it starts to make a move. We have a gap below us, huh? There's a gap below us on the NQ. So the CVD worked out again, guys. If you take a look here, CVD has worked out again. CVD strikes again. Check this out. So we've got the decreasing CVD right here. Okay. Decreasing CVD, which means that, well, I'm sorry, increasing CVD to the upside. And then we got one more drop here, which was this candle. And then right after that, we got to move right back up. So it just so happens to have worked out again. Now, right now, I might be expecting the opposite to happen. Since we have decreasing CVD to the downside, I would expect one more big pump up with then maybe a little bit of a spillover. Not seeing a continued spill for the rest of the day, but maybe a decent place to catch us short. Could be something to take a look at there. If you guys need the link to the Discord in order to join our Discord, it's also going to be in the chat. I'll keep posting it there, but I am not able to pin it because we have pinned our rules instead today. I'll just keep pinning it every time. I mean, here and there. From time to time is what I'm trying to say. I'd be interested in a long here. See if I can catch something. She's moving really quick still. We have news in 10 minutes, so keep that in mind as well. We've got news in 10 minutes. That could possibly do something to the market here. She's moving so fast, man, for a day where you don't expect her to move as fast as normal. Well, actually, since we have low volume today, the market could do a lot. It could do a lot of gyrations and a lot of moves. Damn. I gotta keep my eyes on the chart here, guys. Get into these trades a little quicker. "26 concurrent viewers, guys, and 6 likes. Come on, guys. The more you like the stream, the better your chances are of getting a 50K prop account today from Top Step. A 50K combine for you guys to start the year off right with a prop firm that's not going to disappear overnight, hopefully. They may make you trade on their own platform from time to time, but you know, nobody's perfect. No one's perfect. Hank Day, what's up, brother? You're 7, good morning. Merry Christmas to you as well, Hank. I'm gonna hang out here, guys, because I missed the entry to the long. It was a very quick move. You had to be fast to this entry here. Just barely broke the trend line, tapped our 21. Didn't even tap the the previous overnight highs that we made over here. It really just went fast. It's moving. On low volume days, from what I hear from the seasoned guys, the market tends to trend up. Maybe we can get some statistics on that. Let's ask Grok. Why don't we ask Grok what he thinks? All right, guys, check this out. Let's look at this. So I asked Grok on December 24th, statistically, there's a Nasdaq, not the Nasdaq, the Nasdaq, close green or red. So looks like Grok says on December 24th, the Nasdaq will close early at 1 p.m. for Christmas. Historically, data on how market specifically closes and the date isn't explicitly detailed in terms of green or red days, but we can infer from general market behavior on the holidays. The stock market, sorry guys, I'm looking at the chart. We might get a little reversal. The stock market, including the NQ, often experiences reduced trading volumes on Christmas Eve, which will lead to less predictable movements. However, there's no specific statistical analysis from the sources provided that directly addresses whether the Nasdaq closes green or red on this particular day. Broader look at the market behaviors on holiday shows that the markets can have mixed outcomes. The holiday research from the patternsite.com indicates that in a bull market, the day before New Year's, a similar pre-holiday scenario closes higher 40% of the time, with the next trading day closing higher 53% of the time. However, this is not specific to Christmas Eve or Nasdaq alone. Given the early closure and holiday context, it's reasonable to speculate that trading might be more subdued, potentially leading to less volatility. However, Without specific data for December 24th, we can't conclusively state whether Nasdaq statistically closes green or red on this day. Thus, while there is no definitive answer from the provided sources about the color of the close on Nasdaq specifically on December 24th, the holiday effect suggests that it could go either way, often influenced by overall market sentiment leading up to the holidays. Are more people bullish or bearish on the market today on X? Maybe Grok knows what the sentiment is on X. Based on posts found on X, the current sentiment leans towards greed, with the fear and greed index at 73%, which places it firmly in the greed territory. This suggests that more people on X today are bullish rather than bearish on the market. All right, so we got more people bullish today, guys. More people bullish. That sometimes could lead to the opposite. It could lead to a spill, because the more people that are in long positions, it could be for a juicy short for the market makers. Someone took a nice long. Yeah, that was you, Hank? Or that was Kofer. Kofer, you took a great long, brother? Good for you. Everyone's getting presents now. All right, so now we're starting to see a little bit more push to the upside, which is nice. The VIX is starting to creep up a little bit on us. So I wouldn't be shocked if we did get a little bit of a spillover. But she could easily squeeze the shorts up, though. Got to be careful with that. She can easily do that. We are trading above the 200, which is, according to Danwick, as bullish. We should only be looking for longs, or longs are going to be working out better. All right, we've had 28 views on X, which is awesome. We've only got one lonely viewer here on Twitch, which is probably me. And we're doing all right here on YouTube. Okay. Yeah, she keeps rising up. She's still getting more strength and more strength. No real signs yet of a rollover. You see, if I were to see, let me show you guys. If I were to see a lower high on these bands and a higher high here on price, I would say that that is a recipe for a reversal. Right now, I'm not seeing that. Right now, I'm seeing actually the CVD increasing in strength. As you guys can see, it's increasing in strength. The bears are decreasing in strength. Bulls are increasing in strength. And we continue seeing these lines on our red K indicator continuing to trend up without having much of a divergence with the price action. The only small divergence we had was here. That was quickly bought up, right in here, quickly bought up. So now we're making a higher high here and a higher high here. That's why I was telling you guys we might be getting a little spill, because I saw this doji, these three doji candles. I saw we were losing strength here. And I saw that we're also losing strength here. But now we made a higher high. We made more of a CVD impact here to the upside. And we're still seeing a higher high here on red K. So we're just gonna hang out and not take the wrong trades here. Not take the wrong trades. Just because the market closes at 1 today, guys, doesn't mean you have to trade all day. Let's make some money early on. We'll do a giveaway maybe around like 10:30, 11 o'clock maybe, something like that. And then we'll try to make some money along the way to pay for them. Hey guys, don't forget to join the Discord, says Hermana. We got 30 viewers here, guys. Don't forget to hit the likes. We got 13 likes, and we're trying to do a giveaway soon. I'm just working with a random comment generator here. See if we can... I don't know if the random comment generator is going to be a good idea. I think we're going to have to find a different way of doing it, because not everybody is commenting with the entry code. If you guys want the rules to the giveaway, it's right there in the pinned chat, in the pinned comment in the chat. Sorry, I keep saying that. I got to practice that off stream. And the market is moving more to the upside here. The ES is off our charts. ES is currently over 60, 61. Let's take a look at what Bitcoin is doing. Bitcoin's back up to 97,500. Looking rather bullish. Let's take a look at our 4-hour on Bitcoin, and that is a heck of a pump on Bitcoin. Wow. Look at that. That's a nice 4-hour candle. There are a lot of shorts getting wrecked there. A lot of shorts getting wrecked. I feel bad for the shorts. I feel very bad for the shorts right now. If they shorted the bottom, that is. All right, ETH is back over 3,400. What is gold doing? Yesterday, gold had a pretty decent pump above the trend line, but since then have been kind of weaning off. So she's not looking too good. Let's take a look here at Tesla. Tesla's back over 450. Wow, Hermana's not happy about that. Hermana was looking for Tesla to lose 400 and go down in the 300s so you could buy back in. We did run a poll last week, guys, on how many people thought that Tesla would hit 400 before it hit 500. And more people said 400 than 500. Well, the lowest Tesla got was the 415. So right now we're about halfway in the middle between 400 and 500. So we're dead in the middle right now. We're at 450. That's pretty crazy. NVIDIA is looking strong. XRP is actually gaining some strength too. I was hoping this sucker would go down to 150. Buy some more, but it is what it is. All right, so let's keep back to our ES. Our 3-minute. And wow, look at the strength today's. Strength today is pretty crazy. Pretty crazy. All right, so let's go back here. We're hopping, guys. We're just hopping off at this point off of the 8 EMA. We're not even treading along the 13 or 21. The market's very strong, and it still doesn't look like it wants to really give up the. It still doesn't look like it wants to give up the 21, even remotely close. Anybody who got in on the long down here that we outlined this morning from the 200 would have been sitting in substantial profits now, maybe 100 points already. $130 points if you took that long from here this morning. Pretty crazy. I'm very proud of myself for not shorting any of this. This would have been a recipe for disaster. The report is out. Oh, the 10 o'clock news. Sorry, guys. I'm 5 minutes late to the news. You guys are going to fire me. Okay, so the report was this here at 10 o'clock. Gave us a little bit more of a pump to the upside. And it looks like today, on Tuesday, the Richmond Manufacturing Index is right in line with what they thought. -10. Last previous one was at -14. That doesn't look like it was revised. And yeah, well, I don't know even know what this really means. I think a positive would higher or probably less than or actual or greater than would be good for the currency. So that should be. Yeah, it doesn't even matter. The market does what it wants. So a lot of the news it gives you that it kind of gives you that heads up for hey we can get a pretty explosive candle in either direction, but where the market goes is never the same always. It's not always the same. So we'll see. Never the same. So now it's time for us to really keep our eyes open here for a possible move. We could get another kind of move like this, lower CVD. One more pump. Vladimir took a long at 874. Nice job, brother. Right off here. Right off here. So you're sitting pretty. You're sitting pretty, about 50 points of profit. So keep in mind, guys, if we get this drop here, we're getting a little bit of a drop in CVD. We're losing a little strength. I would expect us to maybe come back in. Maybe come back in here and do a, sorry. Maybe do one of these. A higher high here to the value area low of the FOMC. And then maybe take a little bit of a spill. That's something I'd be looking for. And then possibly an entry off of that spill back into higher prices for today. At the same time, maybe making a higher high here and making a lower high here. Something that I'd be interested in looking at. Right now, nothing but longs. Right now, nothing but longs. At the moment, I don't see the entry for anything else than staying in a long. Renko says the same thing. Renko says, don't even think about getting out of your position. Renko is straight up, not even touching the 8s. This Renko is set on a 3-minute. The chart on the right is set on a 1-minute. Let's take a look at the 3-minute on our right-hand side. See if anything pops out at us. Looks like looks long and strong so far. All right. So our single print started at 876, and now we're approaching here the value area low, guys, of the FOMC dump. Remember the FOMC dump a couple of days ago, last week sometime? Well, yeah, that we're approaching that area now. We're approaching that area now, and we have single prints in that area as well. Let me show you guys. So we've got single prints in that area as well. So if we come back into that level, we will see possible real easy pump back into the volume areas. Our volume areas really don't start until about 300. So those are pretty insane numbers to think about on a Friday like today, but is it possible? Yep, everything is possible. Is it possible? Just keep your eyes on those numbers. You guys who are in longs, you might be sitting pretty. Today could end up being a tremendous trend day. All right, let's see what we got here. All right, so we got that drop that I was kind of hoping to see. Let's see if she's got anything more left in her. Remember I told you here, watch out with this decreasing CVD and then with a little bit of a spike that we got here, it's kind of that. We did get that on lower. This is lower than that. See that? Lower, high, higher, high. We got that off of the doji. What's up, Alexandre? Lafta, what's going on, brother? Lafta took already 1,300 off this move. On the ES, the guys are savage. Ron says the tick and the CCI are coming down. Yeah, kind of goes in line with everything else we're saying here. Yeah, I'm starting to think that we will move down. Yeah, I want to see this maybe come up for one more sweep of this high, clean up the imbalances on this candle, and I'd like to go into a short possibly right then. Right now we're bouncing off the 21. Guys, if you're just joining us right now, you want to join the, you want to get in the running for the 350K prop account combines from Top Step, go ahead and make sure to follow the instructions on the pinned comment in the chat. Make sure to follow those instructions because that's how we're going to be picking our winners later. In about maybe 15 to 30 minutes, we'll pick our first winner. That was a pretty big spike in CVD to the downside. This could give us higher prices here, and we'll see how what kind of reaction we get off of that. Nice, guys. We got 31 viewers on Christmas Eve. I didn't expect many people to be trading today, but we've only got 16 likes, so please make sure to like the stream. Hermana said that it will increase your chances of winning. I'm not sure how that's possible, but he said it will. He said he'll also throw in some deer meat to the winner as long as you're subscribed to the channel and you've liked the stream. He will send you some deer meat that he's going to be hunting over the next few days. But no guarantees at what part of the deer he may send you. You can't make those types of guarantees because, you know, it's not fair. But you can use every part of the deer, I've been told. Maybe even a bear, he says. Maybe even a bear. Have you ever shot a bear, Hermana? I mean, not out of like sport, I'm sure, but like out of protection. You ever been attacked by a bear? Don't kill Rudolph, Hermana. He said, don't kill Rudolph. Hermana, that would be rude. That would be really bad, man. That would be really bad. I know what's funny is it reminds me of when my daughters, they used to, we used to go out to breakfast and they used to eat bacon. They love bacon. They love bacon so much. But at the same time, they were watching Peppa Pig. And they loved some Peppa Pig when they were little. And then they asked us, you know, where bacon comes from. And we told them it comes from the pig. And they're like Peppa Pig? Oh, man, that was traumatizing for them. Traumatizing, man. I'm sure Hermana's kids don't have to worry about that. They know exactly what they're eating. Hermana says, yes, every 2 years we get a bear. We get a bear for food and for traditional use. Wow, that's crazy. What's up, Burr? Seeing a couple new names here in the chat. Welcome to all the new viewers. There's no Rudolphs on the island, it says. Thank you, Burr. I appreciate you. If you guys are interested in participating, make sure to read all the rules. I would hate for you guys to get halfway there. Make sure you read all the rules. The rules are in the pinned comment in the chat. Go ahead and check out our people on X and see what's going on there. It's had 40 views on X, though. That's pretty impressive. And I'm not sure what's going on with our Twitch stream. It's not getting many views today. Maybe the Twitch kids are out there shoveling snow today or whatever. Lafta said, bears are vicious. Leo DiCaprio was attacked by one. Relevant movie. Wow. I didn't know that. Yeah, we get gators down here in Florida. Yeah, absolutely, Hank. I was out one day with a buddy of mine who's been living in Florida longer than I have. We're out there golfing, and then he's pointing out like a rock in the distance, and he's like, "You see that right there?" I'm like, oh, "That rock?" He's like, "No, man, that's a gator right there." And he's like, and I'm like, "A gator, like right here on the golf course?" He's like, "Yeah, man, all over the place. They come out of the ponds and he just kind of hang out, and they don't bother anyone. As long as you don't bother them, they don't bother you." Now a crocodile, on the other hand, a crocodile will attack you and will make sure that he goes after you. But an alligator, from what I hear, a lot of the local kids here, they wrestle with alligators. They jump on their backs and try to get them to knock them off, and they're pretty passive unless they feel threatened by, you know. But I don't know. I have no idea. Yeah, but the gators, they're around. They could be pretty dangerous to small animals. All right, I'd like to see a little spike here. I'm not sure if we're going to get it, though. I'd like to see a little spike in price above the VOL, value area low of the FOMC. I'd like to see that to take a short. So I'm being patient here because it looks like it's trying to figure out what it wants to do next. It's looking like it wants to roll over, but not sure. What's up, Tank? Merry Christmas to you too, brother. All right, keeping my eyes on the chart here, guys. I think we might be getting something soon. We'll see, though. I'd like to see one more nice little pop to the upside. That, for me, would make me feel a whole lot better. Maybe we got it already. I'm not sure. This might be it. That might have been it. She could melt from here. I haven't taken a trade yet, bud. You took a long from this morning with 6 micros, $600 profit. Nice, man. Yeah, I should have taken my own advice and taken that long from down here. The 200, we had marked that area out there. There could be a possible bounce from there. Should have taken my own advice. I've been saying that a lot often. A lot lately. I think we're just going to have to start going. All right. Yeah, she's giving us a little bit of a drop here. I don't trust her just yet. I'd like to see more of a shakeout to the upside first. We got this. Kind of cleaned it up a bit. Would have liked to see one more. Kind of scraping up the value area low here on the upside a little bit. So right now we might actually start looking for a long, since we're kind of getting the opposite effect here. We're getting this, and then we're getting a drop to the downside. So we might be able to see a reversal soon. So Vladimir locked himself out with profits. Good job, Vladimir. Good job, brother. For now, I'm going to remain neutral on this until I see something I really like. Laughter said a Florida gator has killed a child on a Disney property. Yeah, I'm sure it's possible for sure. They're still vicious not domesticated animals. They're not a pet, that's for sure. But you got to see what some of the kids down here do, man. I went to a gator ranch here where they take you out on those fan boats and they take you around to the swamps where the gators live. And one of the young kids that worked there, who's like I guess a gator trainer or whatever you would call him. You know, he lets you like pet the gators and everything like that. He was telling us stories on how him and his buddies just go out and just jump into the the local little fishing areas, little fishing holes, and then just look for gators to like mess with. He did say though that like you don't want to mess with a croc, and you will see a croc from time to time. You don't mess with a croc. Like even if the croc is near you, like you just kind of want to hightail it. They're two different beasts altogether. If you're ever in doubt of whether you're looking at a gator or a croc, I would say just hightail it either way. You don't got to be who's that guy that got killed by a stingray? The crikey guy? You don't want to be that guy. Burr says he lived in Smyrna Beach. Lived there when that kid was taken by a gator at Disney Hotel. Wow, man. Yeah, crocs are very aggressive, says Ron. You know what's the scariest thing about crocs? My buddy was telling me, well, my buddy, I'm sorry, the guy, the trainer was telling me at the gator farm that crocs, they actually can also live in salt water, which means like you could be hanging out on the beach here in Florida, it's kind of minding your own business, and you'll see a crocodile like literally just swimming by you. He said he's seen them. It's not very common, but he said that he has seen them. And he said if they're with their like pups or whatever you call them, or their little gator cubs, whatever they are, I mean little crocodile cubs, he's like that could be a really bad situation. So I mean, he said that it's possible, not very likely. He said he's only seen it once, but you could see a crocodile in the ocean. Crockett. That's nuts. All right, so it looks like we are starting to see a little bit of a push up here. It's kind of what I wanted to see. I really want to see this push up into the value area low before taking a short. I don't think these shorts are going to be too long lived. I was kind of even tempted on going long on this move down here, but it's already pumped a lot. It's already pumped a lot. So, but maybe that might be the move. Could be the move today. Did come down about 30 points. The single prints area here looks pretty good. Let's see what we got here. I'm gonna concentrate here on the charts for a minute, guys. You might hear me get a little quiet. Just want to start studying what it's been doing on CVD for the last couple moves here. So what I'm noticing here is that very little CVD has been moving prices higher, which means there's not a lot of sellers present. At least not in the last few candles. As you can see, the CVD is very small, and we're getting decent sized candles. Right now, it looks like this candle is having a little bit of a hard time. Could signal maybe another move to the downside. We'll see. You can't just put all your weight on one candle, but if it starts looking that way and trending that way, then that might be it. Yeah, that's one thing about California, Laughter. You guys got that weather, man. You guys got some really, really nice weather. No mosquitoes, no humidity. You know where else is like that, buddy? Cabo, Mexico is like that. And also where I'm from, Guatemala, there's a city called Antigua. Antigua's got better weather than even California, dude. I am telling you, this city is high elevation, right by a volcano, so the views are like incredible. It's an old Spaniard city, so the architecture is beautiful. If you guys ever go to Guatemala, check out this city called Antigua. It is literally breathtaking. It's one of the most beautiful cities I've ever been to. And their Starbucks, guys, is like out of this world. It looks like the nicest Starbucks I've ever been to in my life. Yeah, I'm talking about Starbucks in Guatemala, but it's more like a Guatemalan themed Starbucks or Antigua themed Starbucks. It's all Spaniard ruins and it's beautiful, man. Really, really beautiful. They got like a live band that plays their native music. Really cool. Really, really cool. Yeah, Cabo San Lucas has really good, nice weather like California. I've noticed that when I've gone there, and I'm like, wow, they have California weather here. Yeah. She's looking a little weak right now, but I think she's playing dead, and I think she's gonna pop and give us this move into the value area, low area of the FOMC. I think she's just playing dead. Might be interested in taking a long here off the 914 area. 914. Interesting. Market's starting to quiet down big time. The VIX is at the low of the session, which is good for bulls. Very good for bulls. I'm going to try a quick long here, see if I can get a couple points off of her. Hopefully I'm not late to the party, guys. Hopefully I'm not late to the party, or too late, I should say. Hopefully we don't go on a stop run here. Be horrible for my my soul and my ego here if we get a stop run for my first trade all day. Yeah, I'm a little more bullish still than I am bearish on this market at the moment. But that stop out, that was coming. That was coming. Had to come. Yeah, she needed that. She needed that. Let's see what she does next. It's snowing on the charts? Is it really? Wow, man. That's crazy. It's unbelievable. It's a Christmas miracle. So I will, if I can have Hermana, if you can help me, brother. Let's start looking to see through the chat who is following the rules here, who has commented smooth, and who has in our Discord also commented, and who has followed us on, well, the following on X part, leave that up to me. Just give me who the winners are here. Yeah, that stop run was nice. That stop run was geared just for me. That stop run was just for your boy here. They're like, oh, he's right there. Let's go get him, and then we'll go up. All right, we'll try that one more time. Hopefully we make up for it here. Hopefully we can take one off there. See about that. No? Already? Oh, you gotta be the worst. You gotta be kidding me here. Are we having trouble here, guys? Yeah, she's having trouble. Yeah, she's not acting right. Yeah, look at her. She's just clowning me right now. She's just totally clowning me. Should have took the trade off. Should have took the trade this morning. Definitely looks like she wants to go higher, but she's doing it in a very vicious way here. I think we need one more good drop to the downside, and then we'll maybe see her come back up. So Vladimir is Blade Crucial. Yeah, guys, if your name is different in Discord, just make sure you let us know that. If your name is different. And Hank is looking for a VWAP retracement. Nice, Hank. Yeah, she's looking kind of, what does she want to do here? Very interesting. Very interesting here. Not sure what direction she may want to follow right now, but thinking longs. I'm really thinking longs here. Let's see. I had over 40 viewers on Xstream. They disappeared. Whoa, where'd they go? Come on, viewers. Come back, buddy. Yeah, we had 52 views. I think we've had 52 views. I don't know about 52 viewers concurrent, so I don't think X tells you that. Unfortunately, I don't think it tells you that, but we do have 52 views, which is great. Yes, I think we had 2 or 10, something like that. Yeah, I called the long, but I got stopped out every single time, so good for me, right? Good on me here with this long. Maybe we just stop using stop losses, guys. We just got to stop with the stop losses, man. Stop losses are made for punks. Guys who don't trust their TA. Yeah, this sucks. Yeah, this sucks. We're down $400 at the moment, and we're right on the move. I hate when that happens. It just churns my soul when that happens. My stops are pretty tight, man, because I'm trading. I trade with one contract, one mini, and I add to the mini afterwards. So my stops are like usually 5 to 10 points depending on my entry. But it hurt. I don't want to be wrong more than that. If I'm wrong more than that, just one stop out could be like $500 to $1,000 if I use anything wider than that. Usually my entries when I am right are pretty good. So that's why I feel like I don't really need too much more than that. So she's having a hard time here getting above the 940 again. Be nice to see. It says your chat button not working on X. Really? That's not good. That's not good. Not sure why that would be. Laughter, you tried to leave a comment on the chat. It's not working. Show timestamps, hide mod actions. Show timestamps. Strange. Yeah, I'll look into that. I'll look into that. Thank you for letting me know. I live in Naples, Jamal. I live in Naples, Florida. With the 50K accounts, the max lot I would use is 15 micros. That gives me more room for losses. Well, I'm actually using less than that. I'm only using 1 mini. All right, we're getting a little bit of what I wanted to see earlier. We're getting this lower high. And we're getting that spike in CBD here, which is a good indicator. Possibly we see something come of it. It says limited by broadcaster, huh? Let me see. Chat. Chat allows viewers to comment on X live broadcast. Select who is able to participate in the chat. Why is it on settings? Yeah, I see that. I see that here, Laughter. For some reason, it's shaded out. Edit in live cut. Let me see. Settings. Edit in live cut. Yeah, sorry about that, Laughter, but I think that I can only change that setting. Yeah, we got a lot of views on X. We got 62 views. That's great. I think I can only change that setting before going live. So, sorry about that. Hermana, just give me a thumbs up. All right, so let's see. Yeah, so I became a Premium X last week because I used to be when Elon first bought it and he first introduced the $8 a month subscription plan. I love supporting Elon and what he's doing with X. So I became a premium subscriber whenever that was, like 2 years ago. But then somebody hacked my account and I kept trying to get support to help me with that. And they kept posting like random crypto stuff, and I couldn't get anybody to help me. I gave them like 2 weeks, almost a month to recover my account. So then I canceled my premium, and I was like, why am I paying for premium and nobody's helping me? So now that we're live streaming again, live streaming on X, and the only way you can live stream is with premium. So I signed up again, but I'm still waiting for that blue check mark. But that doesn't make sense because Laughter was able to comment yesterday, but he can't comment today. So I don't know if it has anything to do with me still waiting on the blue check mark verification. I think it's probably a setting that I should have changed before, a setting I should have changed before the stream started. So I know for Monday, or not Monday, when are we back? I think we're back on, what's today, Tuesday? Wednesday we're off, Thursday. Yeah, so on Thursday's stream, I will make sure to check off that setting and make sure that it's on and not off, because right now I see it as being off. So thank you for trying anyway, Lafta. So Herman is going to help me here with the people who have tried to participate in our giveaway. I'm going to go ahead right now, and this is what we're going to do. We're going to have, I'm going to pick someone at random, and I'm going to have you guys pick a number, because I can't do the random number generator because there is a random comment generator. I can't do that because a lot of the people here have not participated, so I don't want to pick them if they didn't participate. So I have a list of names here of people who have done what was asked. And I'm just going to double check here with Armana. Guys, give me a second and I'll come right back on. All right, guys, so this is where we're at. This is what we have. We have a lot more people here who commented on YouTube. We have 3, 6, 9, 10, 11. We have 11 people who commented here on YouTube the word smooth. Okay, so we have those people, but we only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people who have commented in our giveaway I Am Here channel on Discord. If you guys are interested in getting a free 50K combine from Top Step, you guys have to read the instructions here on our pinned comment in the chat. It explains to you that I need you to post smooth in the I Am Here giveaway I Am Here channel on Discord, and follow us on X. The link to my X account is in the pinned chat as well. Yes, let me read some of your comments here. Oh, you're Popeye? I am what I am? Oh, yeah, you know what? That's such a Popeye thing to say. I am what I am. Actions have consequences, says Burr. What happens if you are not on Discord? Crown, you don't use Discord? I'll give you a pass, Crown, because you've been here since the very beginning. So I will include you. Is that because you have like reasons for not using Discord, bud? Crown has literally been here since like almost day one. He might have been the first person to ever talk to me. Crown, but you're gonna have to explain to me how it's possible that I took two longs in here and still got stopped out twice. My stop was way too tight. But then when it's not tight, it gets ran anyway. So it's just part of the, it's part of the game, guys. It's part of the game. You have to live with it. Live with the consequences, right? All right, cool. All right, we're still getting that steady pump to the upside. No reason to think short yet. No reason to think short. This thing might just be pumping, pumping, pumping. Tried once a while ago and ended up with problems with my phone. Could you do me a huge favor, dude? Try right now one more time for me. Not because obviously I would need you to do that to count you into the contest, but every Discord member that we get is one closer to our goal. So if you could try, bud, and let me know if it works for you. If you guys are on X, if you're watching this on X and you want to also participate in the contest for our 50K prop firm giveaway, 50K combine giveaway, just do me a favor, head over to our Discord, which is I'll put that in the chat right now. Head over to our Discord and post smooth in the comment. Okay, post smooth in the comment section where it says giveaway I am here. Okay, it says giveaway I am here. Just post the word smooth. And I think we got a new sub. Welcome to our new sub here. That person is, let's see if we can go live here. That person's probably going to be the hype boss too. So we have Jamal who just joined, and Jamal is also going to be our hype boss on the bottom left. Anybody who's new here can knock him off. We need 5 people to knock him off, 5 new subs to knock him off. But as of right now, Jamal is going to be our hype boss. Nice work, Jamal. Waiting for NQ to roll and missing the upside. Focus on the wrong side. Yeah, I know that. I was hoping that we get a drop to the downside too, but I saw it was still very strong. That's why I wanted to go long in here. I think it was in here somewhere where I wanted to go long. If I was in a long from the open, I wouldn't have gotten out here on this drop, believe it or not. I wouldn't have gotten out here. It's because it wasn't, the CVD wasn't forming a pattern of a reversal yet. It still had a lot of bars to the upside and it looked very strong. So not seeing what I would want to see. Right now, I kind of see what I would want to see, but not really, because I'm seeing that we have, you know, this kind of structure where we're losing power in CVD, and then we had one more pull to the upside. So we might get a reversal pretty soon, maybe somewhat of a decent reversal, not anything huge. I still think we'll end the day green today, most likely, but we might see a spillover. And especially since we have a lower high here than we did up here. See that? Lower highs, higher highs, lower highs. We might get something soon. So I'm keeping my eyes open here for a possible short still. Echoes of Nature, what's up? Echoes of Nature, please read the rules in our giveaway. What's up, Fitness Lifestyle? Jamal's long on the ES from 6073. Anyone who's new here, make sure to just read the rules in the giveaway. We're going to do our first giveaway right now within a matter of a minute or so. I'm just giving you guys the last opportunity here to go into our Discord and put the word smooth in the channel that says giveaway I am here. Okay? Danrick says, could we go and hit the H1 high? Maybe. Maybe. I'm thinking we might take a little spill though. Let's see if maybe I can get into a. I'm gonna try a short here, guys. Not a very big one, and I might get stopped out here. But let's try it anyway. After I'm done with this trade, I'll hop over into our contest mode. Yeah, it looks like she wants to go higher. I'm gonna close her out now. She looks like she wanted to go higher. Oh, really? She did not want to go higher? Because I closed her out here. She's still looking strong, so I see a pop coming in here. Yeah, she's still looking kind of strong. I'll wait. Wow, no, I would have been safe. Holy moly, man. See, that goes to show you, man. Take your stop losses like a man. Take your stop losses like a man. Looks like today I'm not doing very well. All right, let's go ahead and please like and subscribe to the stream, says Burr. Help him get to the algos to push this out to more people. That would help. Maybe at least help the ego a little bit, because I'm getting hammered here with my calls. Even though I'm mostly right on these, I've been just, I don't know. I don't want to make any excuses for myself. All right, so we got a few more people here who are in the running. Thank you for that. All right, so the way we're going to do this, is pretty simple. I'm going to put a poll. Actually, I'm going to make a call out here. I'm going to randomly pick one of you guys here on the chat and ask you to pick a number. All right, so I'm going to start with the people that are in our Discord here. With the people in our Discord, there goes my short. With the people in our Discord, we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7. All right, let's see. Crown, do me a favor, bud. You're someone that I could always count on. Crown, give me a number between 1 and 10, buddy. Give me a number between 1 and 10. Crown says 7. All right, so this time around, I'm going to count from 7 from the top to the bottom. Next time it could be from the middle to the bottom, backed up to the top, or bottom from the top, or whatever. So I'm going to count 7 from the top down. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, so our first winner is Den. So Den, thank you for following the instructions. Den, please make sure that you're subscribed on X. I will check that next as well. So Den, this is what you have to do, buddy, in order to be able to claim your 50K combine. I need you to hop over to Top Step. I get no affiliate income from this too, by the way, guys. There's no affiliate income in Top Step. Go over to Top Step, buy your 50K combine. I think it's like $50 if I'm not mistaken, something like that. Send me proof in Discord. Go to my direct messages. Send me proof that you have paid it, and you have it, and you've paid for your 50K combine, and I will send you the money via Zelle, Cash App. I think I have Cash App, Zelle, Cash App, or I might even have Venmo. So just go ahead and do that. If you're not my, if you need to be my friend or something, just request me first, and I will become your friend. So Den is our first winner. So congrats, Den. Congrats to Den. All right, so let's go ahead and see what's going on here on our charts. Thank you, Crown. I appreciate that. Always here to help us out. All All right, so in about, I would say about 30 minutes or so, guys, we'll do another one. We'll do our second one of the day. Congrats to Den being our first winner there. If you guys are on X right now and you want to start commenting, check us out on YouTube under Smooth Trader. My comments are disabled on this stream today, but they will be enabled by Thursday. My apologies to you guys on X. Or if you're on Twitch and you want to join the conversation on YouTube, you can do that as well. If not, comment on Twitch. Twitch comments are open. Not many viewers on there, though. I have no idea why. No idea why. We had a lot of viewers the other day. Not sure what is going on with the stream, but Armand, if you could do me a huge favor and check out our Twitch stream and see if everything looks okay on your end on the public side. Thank you, bud. All right, so what do we got here on our, looks like we're having another run to the upside to pull some stop losses. I'd be interested in taking a short again. The way the market looks right now, it looks like it might want to see some a little bit lower. We'll see where she ends up at. Yeah, that was the short I was waiting on there, which I should have been patient on. Welcome to a new sub, Dennis. Welcome, Dennis, to the stream. Dennis Tudos. Welcome, brother. Welcome. We might be taking another short entry soon here. Looks like the market does want to continue heading down. Oof. Pretty nasty rejection there, but I do expect that to be eaten up a little bit. Usually those sharp moves down don't always hold. "32 viewers, guys, and 23 likes. If you wouldn't mind hitting that like button, it does increase your chances. Thank you, Dennis. Good to see you here too. All right, guys. We do have 2 combines left, so don't give up your hopes yet. Chances are really in your favor because we have 2 left, and we only have, I think, a few of you who have followed instructions and joined our Discord and commented smooth. Maybe some of you cannot for whatever reason, but I'd like to see you guys there. We can carry on the conversation after trading. Always a good place to post your wins, post your losses, get some moral support. Market here looks like it wants to continue higher. Looks like it wants to continue to go higher, but it is facing some resistance here at the 960s. We may take another tumble down. It's kind of what I'm thinking. So I'm waiting for a signal, some kind of a move down, which I just took a short here. Hopefully I'm not wrong in taking that. I'm obviously going to have a stop in place. But let's see if we can't maybe test this again. I think I'm wrong here though. To be honest, to be very honest, I think I might be a little early to the short here. She may want higher. I'm going to make her a little tighter here though, because I do think she may go higher. But I hope not. I hope she's had it. I hope she's had enough. I'm not in love with my entry. Not in love with my entry, so I was thinking about closing her here because I think she's going to come back up. Oh yeah, I knew it. I knew it. Good thing I moved my stops lower. I don't think she's ready yet. See the way she's pumping to the upside? She still wants higher. It looks like there's some buying still going on here. Take care, Ron. Good to have you here. Yeah, if you can't get a hold of me for whatever reason, then you can also message Hermana. He's our mod, our man here on Discord. All right, we got a good number of viewers here, guys, on a Christmas Eve. 35 viewers, man. Congrats to us. All right, we got a huge pump there, so I'm kind of glad that we closed out that short. Let's go ahead and take a look at what's going on here in on the charts. She keeps running up, guys. She keeps running up. A lot of strength here. She's getting weaker though, guys. These are all, in my opinion, these are all liquidity runs or stop runs. Because she is getting weaker the whole way up. She's losing strength the whole way up. So I do expect one of these to just be the final nail in the coffin here. Very low volume pushing this market to the upside. But we will try. See if we can get a move here. Hoping we get a little drop to the downside here. Okay, she's looking okay. Come on, baby girl. You got this. Give us that first TP, baby, at 958. 958. That's all we need. Don't come back up to stop us out. You don't need to do that. Not today. Not today, girl. You've done enough damage to us already. You've done enough damage. You've done enough damage already, girl. Come on. Yeah, she's really not sure here what she wants to do. So we'll be safe. Oh man, yeah, she's getting nasty us. We still got one on. Are you serious right now? Take that TP, baby. Take that TP. Come on. There we go. Come on, baby. Come on. Drop it like it's hot, baby. Drop it like it's hot, girl. Come on. Come on. Come on, baby. You got this. I'm going to take her there because I feel like she's going to come reclaim this area a little bit more. She kind of doesn't go in a straight line down. So we'll see. Maybe today she will go in a straight line down, but usually she does not. All right. What's up, Dan Trader? Micro Moves Trader, what's up? Got a couple new names in here. Made 502 so far across 4 accounts today. Good job. That's like over 2 grand. Trading NQ live on your stream as well. LFG and Owen 2025. Yes, sir. We talked about our 2025 is gonna be on fire for sure. Yeah, Burr says it would be crazy if it fills the whole move down on a half a day to the 290s. Yeah, there goes that refill that I was thinking that was gonna happen. So that's why I took profits where I did. And thank you for participating, Dan the Trader. Make sure you read all the instructions. Laughter says, ho, 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 Merry Christmas to all. I'm done. Cheers. Take care. Laughter, good seeing you here. Guys, 36 viewers and 24 likes. Let's pick that up a little bit. And yeah, guys, if you want to participate on our next round, which we will do at roughly around 11, I'll give you guys until 11, say 11:30 or 11:30. We're going to pull our next trader. We'll call our next trader. Make sure you guys follow the instructions, join the Discord, and comment smooth in the channel that says giveaways I am here. Giveaway I am here is the name of the channel. Just for a roll call, make sure you guys are part of the community. Den, don't forget to send me the proof, and I will send you your payment, brother. All right, this market is looking rather hesitant right now, whether it wants to continue heading back down or more to the upside. I, for one, I'm not trusting the move to the upside anymore. We did lose a lot of momentum in that move. So what I'm thinking here is we'll probably see more stop runs to the upside, followed by more downside. So that's kind of what I'm thinking right now. See what our 3-minute is telling us. Our 3-minute is telling us we completely lost strength as well. And volume has decreased a lot, which kind of sucks because it means there could be more manipulation. I'd like to see a pop in volume to the upside. Maybe we can get that because it would fit nicely with our CVD strategy, which is lower CVD. One more pop to the upside here would be good to see. Maybe one more bar to the upside, something like this, maybe something that big would be nice. But I wouldn't be surprised if we just continue trending up. I would not be surprised. Not surprised at all. But we are getting kind of weaker, but that can change. That could change. See what she does here around our trend. Dennis Tulo says taking care of it with Armana right now. That's Den, aka Dennis. So congratulations, Dennis. And I think you subscribe to this channel too, Dennis. I think I might have seen your name before. Thank you for that too, by the way. Thank you for that. So our ratio of our current viewers to views today is off the charts for like 30%, which is great. 30%. We've had 87 views on X, which is unbelievable. It's great. Twitch is still a bit of a lagger today. Not sure what's going on there. All right. So So let's see what's going on here. So a lot of you guys chose Top Step, but in second place we had Top Step Trader. Top Step Trader. Take Profit Trader. Our Discord is right here, bud. So I keep posting it, but I can't pin it right now. So I just posted it again, Jamal. So a lot of you also chose Take Profit Trader, which I think you guys would have been better off with than Top Step. Just my opinion. You guys would have been better off. Maybe next time we'll do Top Step. Maybe next time we'll do Buell Knox. Maybe sometime we'll do Tradeify. You know, the top 5. You know, the top 5 in the industry. Maybe even if for some of you who like pain, we'll do Apex. You know, maybe even Apex, or we'll give you maybe the prop of your choice to up to a certain amount, obviously. I know some guys still like Apex. And to be honest with you guys, man, they've been paying out. Some of these bigger traders like Patrick and a few other guys have been paying out with no problems, as long as you don't hit any of their stupid rules. So as long as you guys are willing to trade with base hits, consistent base hits, Apex is not that bad if that's your style. My style is kind of like more of a Top Step style, or where you kind of, there are no real limitations or rules on, you know, your trailing loss or anything like that. That kind of really kills me, that trailing loss thing. All right, so we're getting a big spike in volume here, or a spike in big candle with medium-sized volume, but pretty big candle. That could be manipulation. Could be manipulation. Let's see what the CVD is telling us. I'm not a big fan of the structure of the CVD yet. Pretty dangerous. It might be pretty dangerous here. What's up, Bashir? Welcome to the channel, Bashir. 33 viewers, 25 likes, guys. Give us a couple of taps there if you wouldn't mind. So last night we, my wife and I, we decided to wake up really early today and put the gifts under the tree, because we're Hispanic, so a lot of Hispanic families, they celebrate on the 24th. So the 24th tonight, maybe a lot of other countries do too. Let me know in the chat if you're in a country that celebrates the 24th, the evening of the 24th versus the 25th in the morning. So we're gonna let our girls open up some gifts tonight. So we woke up really early today, and we put the gifts under the tree. And my wife decided to do one extra little thing, which is make some snow tracks on the floor to make it look like Santa came and dropped them off. I know some of you may not be fans of Santa. Believe me, I'm not a big fan of kids believing in Santa either, but you know, it's cute. You know, it's cute. The kids kind of get a kick out of it. So she got flour from the kitchen, put on my Crocs, and then sprinkled flour around my Crocs. That way it looked like footsteps. They came into the house with snow. If you guys want to see it, I'll put the picture. I'll put the picture of what it looks like in our Discord. It's pretty cool, the way it looked. I'll put it on off chat, off topic. Hold on one second, guys. Yeah, so if you guys are on our Discord, go ahead and check out on Off Topic. I put up the pictures. It looks really cool. It looks really, really cool. I never thought of ever doing something like that, but that's what women are for. Women have that. Women have that motherly instinct. You know, things that guys will never think of. Yeah, this thing's nothing but up right now. So it looks like it might be wanting to hit that 22,000, guys. We're 20 points away from 22,000. One present Christmas Eve and celebrate on Christmas, says Dan the Trader. So Bashir wants to know, how can you get into the prop giveaway? So Bashir, just read the instructions in our pinned comment here in the chat. It'll give you instructions. We're going to read off our next one in about 15 minutes. And our Discord is also pinned here in the chat. I'll post it again in just a few minutes. And Dan, yes, I do. We live stream every day. Typically around 8:30, we come on, maybe even earlier sometimes. Do a pre-market. Yeah, I am what I am says, I can't believe Apex paid out PW over 600,000 from sim accounts. They have to be copy trading him to afford that hit. What a home run, though, for real. And I mean, listen, what better marketing for Apex than to pay out Pat? You know, he's going to tell the whole world. So it might just be a loophole to pay this guy that much. You know, they might look at it as an investment. They're like, you know, we can't not pay this guy. You know, he knew that too. He said it on his streams that people were asking him like, hey, aren't you worried that they won't pay you? Because guys, not for nothing, but I've seen Patrick trade and he DCAs at times. He does DCA. And correct me if I'm wrong. Maybe some of you guys have watched Patrick trade more than I have. I'm pretty sure I have seen Patrick DCA, and that is one of their no-nos. They say they're okay with DCAing, but I know they're not. Because a lot of other traders have gotten improper risk management for DCAing. So let me know if you guys know more about that. But Apex is still here. They're still pumping. Burr says if they didn't pay him out after that last Apex meltdown, it would have been their end. He would have went ape. Oh, yeah, for sure. Yeah. Everybody would have known about it. If he didn't get paid, the whole world would have known about that. I totally agree. Versus, I don't know how he gets around the stop loss with them. He never has one as he enters. He never has stop loss. I hardly ever hear him getting stopped out. Yeah, ever. Thanks, Dan. I appreciate you. Seriously, he bought an Aventador already? No way. Well, I mean, that's what an Aventador costs. Like 600,000. Burr says DCA is okay now, but I have heard other people say that dollar cost averaging or averaging down on your trades is not okay. So there's really there's no clear, real answer on that. They said it's okay as long as you don't do it all the time, but there's no real rules set in stone for that. That's what makes me nervous about that. DCA. Not that I DCA anyway. I usually DCA into a profitable trade. Yeah. So Burr says no, DCA is okay. I guess it might be. I've heard them say it's okay, but I've also heard traders get denied for it. PW probably gets away with it because of all the referrals he brings them. Yeah, for sure. He's probably their number one, or one of the top ones. So we're getting some weakness here. Getting a little weakness. See what this market wants to do here at 980. Market does look like it wants to go to 22,000, that psychological level there. So Burr says he has the official rule. Here is the official rule. I think he's going to post it for us. All right, guys, 10 minutes and we'll be calling out our next winner here. 10 minutes, we'll be calling out our next winner. Make sure to post in our Discord under the giveaway section where it says I am here. Looks like we got very low volume. The volume has trickled down to almost nothing. Pips Hunter says Patrick's payout is a big scam. There must be something going on with Apex. He only has 1 month history of those accounts on his YouTube stream. Why? Yeah, and I think he said he blew a few of them. I think and that 600,000 guys, that's with 11 accounts. That's with 11 accounts. It's not 20. It's not 40. 11 accounts. But he has been showing those for probably over a month, though, Pips Hunter. I know he's been bragging about those 11 accounts probably for like closer to 2 or 3 months now. Correct me if I'm wrong, guys. I know some of you might follow Patrick a little bit more than I get the chance to since I'm streaming while he's streaming. But I used to follow him. I find him to be rather funny, the way he goes after everyone. But I do think that Patrick at times probably doesn't tell us everything. And he's a businessman, you know. He tells you what he needs you to know. He tells you what he needs you to know. Okay, we're getting a move down on very very low volume. So I personally do not trust it. I personally think that we're just setting up for another leg up. Could be what she wants to do. Vladimir says Apex owes him like 15K. What happened, Vladimir? Not from payouts, from burned accounts. Oh, okay. That's a big difference. I've only had 2 accounts with Apex, and both of those I've lost because of the trailing drawdown, which sucks. Denrick thinks that copy trading shouldn't be allowed or present in the market. Well, maybe next year you'll get your wish. I think a lot of rules might be coming into effect next year, where proffers might only be able to offer you 1 account, but I'm not sure if that's written in stone yet. It's just hearsay, just gossip from now on. Vladimir says Top Step has paid him more than 20K in 2024. Thank God. Welcome, Eat, Love, Pray, Grow. Thank you for being here. You got a couple minutes left until we call out our next winner. Make sure to read the instructions completely and go over to our Discord and type in Smooth in the giveaway channel, the one that says giveaway, I am here. Go ahead and do that. I am what I am, blew 20 accounts with Apex. Well, don't feel bad, bud. I blew 20 accounts with FTT, which somebody here on the stream told me once that it's okay that you blew it, buddy. They were probably not going to pay you anyway. And a week later, they imploded. So he was absolutely right. Forget who that was. If you guys are here, if the person who told me that is here, please say something in the chat, because you were 100% right. Wow. This CVD candle right here was on this divergence, which means this is going to be a pretty strong move up. It gobbled up a lot of negative CVD here. Probably getting a pretty big spike to the upside. I actually want to try her. Versity has lost 11 profit trade accounts. Yeah, profit trade, they just pulled the rug out on everyone, right? Is that the latest one? That sucks, right? I think you told us about that the other day, man. I'm sorry to hear that. What was the story with them? They were saying that the scammers were the reason why they couldn't pay anyone out, that there's too many scams. And I don't doubt for 1 second there's probably groups of traders that probably find loopholes in new prop firms or mismanaged prop firms, and you probably go for the jugular. And I guess that's what's called capitalism. And yeah, I just went long by accident here. I just hit the button by accident, but let's see what happens. Maybe it turned out to be a decent trade. If not, I'll be stopped out. So I'll stop. I might get stopped out pretty quickly here, but I did like the area because of what I saw earlier. So I might go to break even here pretty quickly. I just don't trust the move just yet, but I did see something. That's why I had my finger on the trigger. All right, so I got stopped out at break even, but I'm not worried because that wasn't the entry I was looking for. That was just a fat finger. This new mouse that I have is so sensitive. The button is so damn sensitive that I enter trades sometimes just by looking at the screen the wrong way. It's pretty crazy. Okay, so we got this here, which I like. Could get a bounce. We'll see. Yeah, so I'm still bullish on this move here, guys. I'm not thinking shorts just yet. I'm still actually kind of thinking we might still go higher. We'll see. We'll see. Okay, so 2 minutes left, guys, and I'll pick the next winner. Make sure you follow the rules. I like to see a lot of new viewers here. Welcome to My K Light. My K Light, welcome. Welcome to Eat, Love, Pray, Grow. How do you write in Discord? It says don't have permission. Eat, Love, Pray, Grow. You have to click on the channel underneath it. Not the one that says giveaway, but the one that says giveaway, I am here. The one that's giveaway, it's not for the public. It's just, well, it is for the public, but it's not for you guys to write in. It's to let you guys know what giveaways we're currently running or we're planning on running or giving away. Go to the channel right underneath it and then type in there the word smooth. Same thing goes for anyone else here who would like to enter to win the next 50K combine. So go ahead and check that out. You guys have about a minute left. So I'm trying this long here, and either way, whether I get it or I don't get it, we will call the next winner. If I'm too early to the trade, we'll find out right now. If I'm good, we'll find out right up here. See if we can't get a winner today. So she's still playing games with us. She loves our stop losses, guys. So the minute my stop loss gets taken, make sure to enter. Yeah, it's too much wickiness here at this level, but we'll see what happens. All right, so we're ready for our next winner here. Yeah, this is kind of like what you want to see before a reversal. This is what you want to see. Big spike in CVD to the downside. Very nice. Good thing our stop loss was very tight. And here you might see a reversal back into the range or the channel that we're forming. Make sure you get your last minute entries in. All right, so we will be calling people from our Discord, so make sure that you're in there. Okay. Yeah, there goes that reversal back into the range. Looks like that's what she wants to do. All right, so I am going to have one of you give me a hand here. So Danrick, if you wouldn't mind, brother, are you still here? Hopefully you're still here, Danrick. Danrick, do me a favor and give me pick a number between Danrick. Pick a number between 5 and 15, buddy. Pick a number between 5 and 15 for me. Do me that favor, Danrick. If you're here, I'll give Danrick a couple seconds here to pick a number between 5 and 15. Whole numbers only, says Dan Trader. Danrick says 13. All right, very good. Let's see if it's somebody's lucky number 13. We might be getting that reversal though back into the upper bounce here. So keep that in mind, guys. Keep that in mind. We got a 13. All right, we got a 13. All right, let's see. All right, so let's see what we got. Hey, Dan the Trader, are you also Den? Is that you? Are you Den and Dan the Trader? No, that was Dennis, right? That was Dennis. That was Dennis who was Den. Never mind. All right, our next winner, guys, our next winner. Yeah, Dennis is Den. Our next winner is Ron Grace. Ron Grace, are you still here? We'll give Ron Grace 3 minutes. We'll give him 3 minutes to let us know he's still here in the chat. Hopefully he is. If not, then we'll move on to our next person. Ron Dennis, please come on down. The price is right. Guys, it may not be too late for you. If Ron does not step up, we're going to have to call somebody else out from the Discord. So if you haven't done so yet, head on over there. Put your name. Also, thank you guys for all the likes. Appreciate that. Let's go ahead and check out here what is going on. Looks like the market wants to try to get it back into the trend line and make higher highs. Obviously not before doing a little bit of a dance here. But it looks like she may want to go. She may want to go. I'm going to give it a quick try here. That's usually a signal for the market to reverse. Let's see if we can't maybe get a quick little win off here. We have our stop right below the lower time frame EMAs here. I think that's the 21 and the 9. All right, she's going for it, guys. She's going for it. See, we can't knock off a little bit of today's losses here. I'm gonna move the break even here. She's going right for it. Yeah, good for stop losses, huh? Let's see if I can't maybe re-enter it. She may want to continue going up. That might have been a stop loss run there before going higher. That's what it looks like. I'm going to try her there again. It's a better entry than what we had before. Much better entry than what we had before. All right, so we got 2 on, guys. We got 2 on, which is looking a little bit better for us. So is Ron, I guess Ron left. Ron might have left here. Ron might have left. So if Ron did leave, we're going to be calling somebody else. Our first TP is hit. Very nice. And we will leave a runner here. Let this runner do its thing unless we get stopped out here. And it looks like that's exactly what she wants to do. Perhaps here stop us out. If not, she'll keep running. We may have a good little trade on our hands. Okay. All right, we'll answer your question in just a second. Eat, love, pray. And looks like Ron is not here, guys. Ron is not here. We gave him a chance to speak, and Ron is not here. So we're going to pick another winner. We're going to pick another winner here. And we're working with number 13. We're working with number 13. All right, so we'll try this again. All right, so our next winner, and you have to let us know that you're here, and I think you are, is going to be Burr. So Burr, let me know in the chat that you're here. Burr, are you here? And we did get stopped out on that last move down. Good thing we took some profits off of that. Burr, are you here? Let me know, Burr. Okay, Burr's here. So Burr, same instructions go for you, bud. Hop over to Top Step, buy the 50K Combine, message me or Hermana in the Discord, and send us proof that you made the payment, bud. And then we will reimburse you the payment of the Combine, either on Zelle, Venmo, or Cash App, PayPal, whatever you've got. We'll make it happen. We'll figure out a way. So just make sure to do that. Also, I will be checking if you guys have followed us on X, so please do so. That is one of the requirements. Thank you, thank you. And we'll do one at the top of the hour, guys. So we got one left. We'll do one at 12 o'clock. We'll do one at the top of the hour. And it looks like she's moving back up here. Yeah, we've had 95 views on X, which is nuts. That's great. Very happy there. Very happy there. All right, so let's see if we can maybe find ourselves that entry again. That entry kind of left us behind. That stop loss really just, ay. This market is so, volume is so low, guys, that the stop loss ratio is very, very high. But at least we're able to knock off some of the loss. We're only down 300 bucks. Being down only 300 bucks is no problem. We make that back in one trade. Make that back in one trade, fellas and lady. All right, so. Congratulations, Burr. Dan says, by the way, my middle name is Ron. Does that count? No, Dan, but you still got one more chance, bud. You still got one more chance. So we'll make sure that we include you in our next running as well. Unless your name is Ron Jeremy, then I'll give you a pass. If your name is Ron Jeremy or Ron DeSantis or Ron, I don't know, another Ron. Ronald Reagan. If your name is Ronald Reagan, Ron Jeremy, or Ron DeSantis, I will give you a pass. And if you're Ronald Reagan, then that's really going to be crazy. Jeremy. Ron Jeremy. Let's see what you guys are saying here. So Eat Love Pray says he's pretty much done until after New Year's. Smart man. Smart man or lady, I'm not sure. Yeah, the sweeps have not been my friend today, Burr. Literally wait for the sweeps to get long. That's probably what I should have done. And that's normally what I do. I don't know why I was thinking that the market is just very bullish, as you can see here. Like you're hopping, 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 hopping. But the time that I take it, it just sweeps. Yeah, I'm telling you. I mean, I thank God that I've been able to read the market correctly, knowing that which direction it does want to go in, which is half the battle. But a couple of sweeps here and there is just part of the process, man. I use very tight stops, so it's just part of the process, and I'm okay with getting stopped and then re-entering it if I see it. Today I've just been a little bit out of focus, trying to get you guys, the giveaways and checking the 3 streams to see, who's where and what's what. I'll find a better way to keep all the chats in one place for next year, so I can have all the chats just in one place, and I can keep an eye on X, Twitch, and YouTube all at once. So it'll be really cool. Dan Trader says, if London and all of the European markets are closed, who is left trading right now? If the US is closed also. Well, I'll tell you, someone once on this channel said, it's just us and the algos. It's just us, degens and the algos. So it's degens versus algos. That's really kind of what we have here. Degens versus algos. And I'm not calling you guys degens. You're probably done. I mean, some of you aren't even trading. I said it wouldn't be fair to me calling you that, but I might be a bit of a degen. I might be a bit of a degen, guys. We could see a move back down here. We kind of have this candle right here that I want to show you, point out. This 1143 candle, decent sized volume, hardly no movement on that. The next candle here is getting pretty strong though, so that may cancel out the last candle. But I really don't like the way that the CVD just shaped up. This usually leads to a spillover right here. Usually does. So we'll see. We'll see what comes of this. Eat Love says, I'm new to futures. I usually just do Forex, and he doesn't know how to use a stop loss with futures. Well, stop loss is if you don't know how to use one too well. What you may want to do is use this indicator here that is called the ATR, Average True Range. And it'll tell you how much the candles are moving on average on whatever time frame you have it set on. And what you may want to do as a rule of thumb is just kind of do a 1 to 2 of whatever the ATR is, and that could be your stop loss. That's probably like a safe way of doing it. Maybe even a 3 of that, depending on what size you're using or what kind of trader you are. Maybe you're more of a swing trader, or you don't take too many scalps. Something like that could be a little better for you. Burr says it's simple. If price is 900 and you want to be swept into a short, put the sell stop at 890. If price goes at 889, yeah, you're right. So what you're saying is basically like put your entry where your stop loss would normally be. A lot of people do say that. That's a good piece of advice there. What's up, Mario? How are you? Mario Contreras. Happy holidays, guys. I'm done for today. God bless. You too, brother. Yeah, stops do fuel the moves. So when you see big drops like that, it usually means they're trying to go the opposite way. Dan the Trader says I usually prefer a 2 ATR if structure doesn't provide a good stop level. Yeah, it's a pretty good rule of thumb, guys, because the market doesn't move the same way every day. I think I think it might have been yesterday that we had a, I think it was like 30, or the day before we had like a 30 ATR on the 1 minute. And today we have 7. You understand? So just certain markets are more volatile than others. That means your wins and your losses could be bigger, compounded. So you want to make sure that you're also doing the same with your stop losses. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of the price action right now. It's looking kind of weak. It's looking kind of weak. So we'll keep an eye on her. But she may want that 22,000, which is only 8 points away, guys. Only 8 points away, 22,000. What is Tesla doing? Bitcoin's back at 98,000 though. Tesla is at 452. Nvidia's at 141. Like almost like nothing ever happened, guys. Like the FOMC never happened. That is insane. Let's take a look at this chart here. Our 30-minute chart is a straight rocket ship from this morning. So along from that box that we drew earlier on today here, from 800, along from there would be close to 200 points at this right now. Yeah, damn those boxes, guys. Damn those boxes. Make us look like fools. Yeah, 30-minute looks super, super, super strong with no signs of peeling back. We are at the we do have a poor high right now here on TPO, which shows that we are at a poor high. So normally these poor highs get fixed when they're this close. So I can expect another spike to the upside here. And then on the upside here, we have some single prints, imbalances, fair value gaps, minus developments, whatever you want to call them, guys, but they're there. So we could see a move into those. Maybe not today, but maybe later on this week. We will probably get up into this area today, though. All right, guys, 10 minutes till our final giveaway, so make sure you guys are following the rules here. Make sure you're following the rules, and we'll see you in Discord. Okay, Den has sent in proof that he has paid his 50K combine. So Den, great job. Great job on that, Den. We'll make right off as soon as we're done here with the stream, I will, or maybe if you can tell Armana or myself, let us know which payment you would like. We have PayPal. PayPal would be probably easiest for me if you have PayPal. We could do Zelle. We could do Cash App. Maybe Venmo. Not sure. But I'd like to stick to like PayPal and Zelle if possible. So Den, give us your information. So Den, good job. I think the next person was Burr. So Burr, if you could do the same. Just a few points away from 22,000. Very tempting here to take a trade. But it looks like we might have a spill before we go up. Looks like we're setting up for a spill here. Looks like we're setting up for a spill because of this spike in volume here. It barely went anywhere, which means sellers are present. Armana says we're all done. Good, good, good. Burr. All right, so we'll go ahead and call our next winner in just a few minutes here. Thank you guys who have been sitting here patiently. I really appreciate you guys. We'll give you guys about 4 more minutes. We'll call out our next winner at 11:55. Call out the next winner at 11:55 here. Probably only going to stream today till about 12-ish, I want to say, because it is Christmas, guys. It's Christmas Eve, and we can't be straight degens all our lives. I'm excited about the 95 views that we got on X, though. That is a whole new audience. Whole new audience. Oh, there goes a drop. There goes that drop. I'm going to look away for 1 second, and we get that stupid drop. Yeah, we did get the spillover, and I saw it here. I'll show you guys on the chart why I called it is because of this. We got the spike in CVD here. You see to the upside? Okay. And then the correlating candle is this one here. So if you look at this candle, that candle was very small in comparison to the amount of volume we got. So that means that the sellers are pushing this price down. They're here and they're pushing it down. And then we got the spillover here. And I'm not sure if she's going to recover from that because she was so close to 22, and people are thinking, oh, I'll take profits at 22. And it may never do that. So that's what happens sometimes. And then we got the higher high here. Check this out. Higher high. And then we've got this and then we got this lower high here. You see that? Lower high here. Higher high there. So that was pointing me towards this market rolling over. Let's continue seeing what we've got here, though. And looks like that's probably the flush out. For good, though. For good. I think we've made the highs of the day. That looks pretty strong. Look at the CVD correlating with that move. It just keeps getting stronger and stronger to the downside. So congrats if you're able to take that short. I'm so stupid that I did not take it. I called it, but I did not take it. Okay, we're good. We're good. This thing's going to retrace probably pretty much though down to the value or low of the FOMC. Very likely it would do that. It will do that. We'll see. All right, so we're going to call out our next winner. And if I can get Hermana. Oh, congrats, Storm. Congrats for getting back to break even. Welcome, brother. I didn't see you here. Thank God. Yeah. Yeah, that was the move, man. That was the move. That was the move. That short was definitely the move. It was written all over the tea leaves right there. Good job. Good job. I'm excited for next year, guys, because I'm getting better at reading the CVD and reading the chart that Tova told us about here, this indicator, the red K. By the way, if you guys are new here and you don't know these charts, or you don't know these indicators I'm using, well, we have videos explaining how to use these in our YouTube channel and as well on our Discord under indicators to show you guys how to utilize these indicators to know when the market may want to pivot and know how to read also the CVD, which is basically just the supply and demand of what, when there's more volume to buyers than there is sellers. And this is a whole Wyckoff based strategy here that you guys will probably be very happy that you learned once you see it. Okay, so this reversal here is pretty strong, but I do think it could possibly be a stop loss run. I think she's going to continue going lower. I personally think it just doesn't look right yet. All right, so we're going to see here. All right, so we're going to call our next winner. I'm going to ask Hermana. Hermana, please do me a favor, bud. Hermana, pick a number between 7 and 15. Hermana, pick a number between 7 and 15. Drop it here in the Discord. I mean, sorry, not the Discord, the chat on YouTube. Cool. Burr is following instructions. Good job, Burr. All right, so Hermana has picked a number, guys. So here's going to be our last winner of the day. We have number 13 that he has picked. So let's see what we have here. 13. All right, so I'm going to be picking from our Discord here, guys. Let's see what we have. All right, so the last winner, guys, is Popeye the Trader. I think it's I am what I am. I am what I am. Are you here, bud? I am what I am, and Popeye are the same person. Yeah, a lot of people picking 13. That's crazy. Popeye, are you here, bud? Is Popeye here? Yes, he is. Yippee. He says he's strong to the finish, guys, this guy. He's strong to the finish. So same thing goes for you, Popeye. Make sure you're subscribed on X or follow me on X, sorry. Make sure that you do message myself or Romana in the Discord. Show us proof of your 50K combine that you purchased and your preferred method of payment. Hopefully it is PayPal or Zelle. And there goes that drop. There goes that drop, guys. All the calls I'm making today, I'm missing 100% of. So there goes that drop. And again, let's review this. Let's review this move. All right, let's take a look at this move. I'll show you guys what's happening here. Let's review it for some signs. Okay, so we had this candle, decent size volume, no movement on the candle. This is your effort versus result. Almost nothing. This is a lot of times your turning point. Now that is the 1158 candle. We go to 1158 and we have the corresponding candle, which shows you big wick, little body. Next candle, it's like magic, guys. This indicator a lot of times will predict what's going to happen next. Not every time, but a lot of times. And then when you combine that with manipulation, like you see here, with this reversal that was fake, that I told you guys it looks fake. Stop run is what it was. Come right back down. Here, maybe we clear up some imbalances and roll over once more. Not sure. But you got to continue looking at your indicators to kind of guide you on what the market is trying to do, what these shysters, these schemers and schemers, whatever the platforms call us, what they're trying to do. So we will see. So congrats to our 3 winners today. Too bad that Ron wasn't here. I'll find something for Ron. I think Ron had to go to work. So we will, Ron makes it back to our stream. We will hook him up with something. So no worries, Ron, if you're seeing this. All right, so let's go ahead and check out what the market's doing. Yeah, congrats to the winners. This will not be our last. And congratulations to everyone who also entered. You are definitely not at a loss. Believe me, there's going to be a lot of value given in this channel and on our Discord. Give me 1 second, guys. Yeah. All right. So what are we thinking here, guys? Double bottom? Full port long? Are we thinking rollover, full port short? Come on, guys. We got a full port into the new year. Just kidding here, guys. Just kidding. Just kidding. All right. So I am going to bid you guys adieu. Thank you guys for the great stream today. We had over 200 views here on a slow day with most of the time over 30 concurrent viewers. 30 concurrent viewers. Dan, the trader, is still short. Good job, Dan. And on X, guys, we're able to get over 100 views, I think, right? What did we get on X? 97 views on X. That's nuts. So if you guys are watching ever on X, just drop us a comment on there. Let us know that you're originally from YouTube. Great job today, guys. Anyone who's profitable, if you guys are in a loss today, no biggie, guys. Just go shake it off and spend some time with family. Congrats to everybody here today. Everybody's a winner. Everybody's a winner in my book. So thanks, guys. Great stream today. And yeah, I'll talk to the winners offline here in the Discord. So take care, everyone. Take care. And Merry Christmas. And don't forget what Christmas is truly for, guys, is to give thanks to our Creator and to spend time with family and what's really important. So take care, guys. Love you. Talk to you next time.